So about 5 years ago, I was finishing up my student teaching, getting my master's in education. Thought I wanted to do that for life, was interested in helping the youth out. So I was thinking education was going to be where I fit and what my career was going to inevitably be. I spent about 2 weeks in a middle school classroom full of 13 and 14-year-olds and decided that just wasn't for me. I was in a pretty dark spot, as you can imagine, after that, because you think you're going to do something for the rest of your life, you end up not doing it. Ended up really just being a hard time, but heard of an opportunity with sales out in Texas, and you know what, we just decided to make a leap. That's how dark the situation was. I was willing to uproot my family. All right, so this is where it all started when we moved down to Texas in 2019, Section 8 housing. You know, I came from a family that had a little bit of money, but I wanted to make it on my own. I think a lot of people can relate to that. So we came out here and kind of humbled ourselves and started out Section 8 housing. Yeah. I'm never at a place in my life where I haven't been yet that I'm not high maintenance, so we made the best out of this location. A lot of good people, great neighbors, a lot of friendly faces. We spent a lot of time on that play structure right there where the kids could go out. They were 2 and 4. They came out and spent a ton of time. That was like the funnest thing that we did. But we didn't have a lot. We didn't have a lot of money. We can go out to eat, can do a lot of things, but you know, some of the simpler times were pretty fun. We ended up leaving this place 2021. There was a rat infestation. The people here blamed us and said that we were responsible because we didn't clean it. Well, I don't live like that. Since then, because of the sales, because of the roofing industry, we were able to elevate our family from Section 8 housing to an apartment. And then 2 years later, we were in down payment on our house out in Little Elm. So yeah, it's been a blessing to be out here. We've been able to spread our wings. Again, the company is really good at allowing you to spread your wings to, I wouldn't say experiment, but to be who you are and to grow within the framework of the industry and the company. And gives you time to do that as long as you're committed to the mission of the company, as long as you're committed to the work ethic that you need to bring to the company. As long as you're a committed person that's willing to put in the work, you will have success with us. There's no doubt in my mind. It just takes a lot of work. And people that want to work and have their own schedule and be able to make it on their own, you know, with support from other people and mentoring with kind of the framework of how to do it and be successful, this is the place to be. We're all about a growth mindset and what can we do a little bit better each day to make sure that, you know, 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road, our families are set up, we're starting to build for the future. Vacations, houses, whatever you want. If you want to invest, you know, this is a great way to do that, build your revenue, build a revenue stream, and then start building towards the future. I can't say enough what this industry has done for me. So this is where we're at now. You know, the American dream, having a house, 2.5 kids and a dog. We're working on the 2.5. That's a fight with the wife. We're gonna have 3 or 2, I don't know. But we got 2 kids and a dog right now. This is where we stay. Very big blessing, like we said, to be here from where we started out in Texas at Section 8 housing. Highly encourage everybody that's thinking about a sales position to come out, meet the crew, meet everybody that's a part of our company. Great support staff, great guys to work with, high value, highly driven people that you're gonna wanna be a part of. Please come join us. I can't say enough about the company and what this has done for me. So yeah, here it is.